Hello and welcome to the EDOC Builder training series. In this lesson, we will cover image field settings on the Data Capture tab for both forms and interactive designer templates. We will begin by logging into the EDOC Builder. Once you have set up the fields on your master PDF, created your new template, and have added your template assets, you are ready to set up the unique rules for each of your template fields. From the templates page, click the pencil icon to edit on the template you want. Next, click Field Setup and expand the field you want. In this video, we will be looking at image fields and each option you can use and the data for this field will come from. Please note that for interactive templates, options for another field and variable data file are not allowed. For the first example, what type of field will this be should be set to image, and user entry for data for this field will come from. Now click into the Data Capture tab. User control type, standard image upload. Image uploads for compatible files. This option does not allow the user to modify the image in any way. It uses exactly what is uploaded. It will resize the image to fit the area and will not give the customer the option of cropping in particular area of the image. You can either require or not require that the user upload an image. User control type, advanced image upload. This selection provides your user with simple photo editing functions such as resizing and cropping within the aspect ratio of the original image. Only raster type files are supported in the advanced image upload. You can either require or not require that the user upload an image. User control type, image picker groups. This selection displays the images uploaded in the image picker asset groups that you create. Note that the default graphic area displays each of the images with the radio button selector to specify the image you want to display as a default. Only one option will be required in the Data Capture tab for another field. You need to specify what field in the template will also apply to this field. As an example, you may have two areas on a business card that will show a company logo, but you only want the end user to upload the logo one time. When you choose to get the data from a graphic file, you will be prompted in this tab for the file you want to use. This option does not give the user the ability to choose or upload an image, but instead you choose what will fill that space. An example of a good time to use this would be if you have shells already printed for a product, and even though you want the customer to see how the product will look, you don't want to have certain areas print on the production file. In this case, you would upload those areas as images using the graphic file option and then set the image to not print on the production file. Format tab field usage set to proof only. For images, the option for static text or field scripting should be ignored, as it does not apply to image fields. When selecting this combination of image options, you will need to add either HTML or VB scripting in the field scripting tab. If variable data file is selected in the field type tab, then there is no entry needed in the data capture tab. The customer will be prompted to upload a variable data file and map the image that will pull the image. The customer must have a file that contains a URL of where the image can be pulled from for this to work. Allow upload from assets or desktop. For interactive templates, you will have the option of allowing the end user to also use images from their Presero assets, in addition to uploading to that field. To allow this, make sure Allow upload from assets or desktop is marked as checked. You can also specify a category of assets they will be able to select from. For standard forms templates, you have three options for uploads depending on your needs as a drop-down. You can allow your customer to only upload files from their desktop only, or to select from either their desktop or from provided assets. The last option lets your customers select only from asset images you provide. Thank you for watching this video tutorial.